Have you all seen the TikTok sensation on the new tortilla hack? Well, this is my version of the best quesadilla there is. Slice up a tortilla, spread Boursin cheese, your diced chicken in another corner, Brie. Of course, you can use whatever cheese you love. These are my favorites. Some chopped dates, and more Boursin. Top it up with some cilantro or any fresh herb, green onion, pickled red onion, and start the folding. You've all seen this hack, but have you seen it done so well? Yum. It's all about the ingredients. Nothing like United with Earth chopped dates. Ready for the big reveal? I'm dying to see if this tortilla hack really works. Wow, check this out. Yum!